In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change PIN code in Amazon Prime Video. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and navigate to the official website of Amazon Prime Video, provide your credentials and log into your account. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now at the top right, you will find your profile icon. Click on that. Then head over to the option Manage Profiles. You'll be directed to this page where you're going to find all of your profiles. Now go ahead and click on the option Edit Profile. Select the profile for which you want to change the PIN. Click on this pencil kind of icon. Now here, enter your current PIN, then click on Submit. Now here, click on the option of Manage for Profile PIN and Tools. Now click on the option Update. Now go ahead and type in the new PIN that you want to set for your Amazon profile. After you type in that, click on Submit. And just with that, you have reset your PIN on Amazon Prime Video. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.